Hello everyone.
What's your name?
Molly,
Where you from?
Ireland.
How long have been you live in Vietnam?
We've been here for about 5 days.
Where do you live in Vietnam?
We were in Hanoi and then did a loop. We're going to Ninh Bình next.
Are you going alone or with your friend?
Yeah, with my partner there.
Are you going jump?
He jumped already.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm not jumping.
Oh.
No.
Are you scared?
Yeah.
The cold water.
It's not too bad. It's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Enjoy your trip and have a nice day.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Bernadette.
Where you from?
Switzerland.
How are you?
Good. How old?
Yeah.
23.
How long have you been in Vietnam?
Only like 6 days.
How do you feel?
Very, very good. The Ha Trang Loop is my favorite.
You are traveling alone or with your friend?
Yeah, I am traveling with one friend.
Traveling in Vietnam, expensive or cheap?
Very cheap. It's very cheap.
Enjoy your trip and have a nice day.
Thank you.
Do you want to say hello to everyone?
Yes. Hi guys.